V100 index seems to have an unending sales. The sales seems not to be coming to an end, like we've been having a long-term decline in market value. But still on that, we're analyzing this index into this video. Let's know where the market is headed to next. Let's know if the market has potentials of reversing from this current level, or are we to expect more decline in market value. So we'll be looking into all of that in today's video. Stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. So coming to the weekly time frame of V100 index, because whenever I want to analyze the market, I start from the higher time frame, and I prefer starting from the weekly time frame, so I can have a bigger view of the market, so I can be able to spot my levels and zones properly. For the weekly time frame on this index, we have this level as a level of support that got broken. You've seen how the market reacted on this level in the past. The market bought from here as a support, came back to the same level again, bought from it as a support. So at this point, the market failed to buy from this zone, from this current level. Market failed to buy on the approach on this level, because we've been seeing the market buy whenever it gets to this point. It buys. So it was supposed to buy from this same level. The market failed, now broke below this level as a resistance. Whenever it's above level, it broke, it turns to resistance. So you can see the break and retest on it. There's a break and retest on this level, the sells to the downside. So what do we expect after getting this sells to the downside? You've seen the market has been selling since the retest on this broken level of support on resistance. So we've had this long-term sales after the retest on this broken level of support on resistance, and we have our previous level as well. We have these levels at which the market has been reacting on in the past as a support. When we zoom in the chart, we can see this clearly, but let's first identify it. So we can see that the market has always respected this level. Let's zoom in so we can see it clearly. This level was a support level. The market bought from here as a support. Market bought from here as a support, bought from here as a support, bought from here as a support. So we've had multiple buys on this same level, and we can assume that the market is trying to approach this same level of support, because this was the last low the market formed. Since the market failed to buy from this level of support, this level that was tested once, there's a possibility that the market is heading to come test this key level, this major level of support at this point. So let's expect more sales at least to this level before we can expect any reversal on this index. So that's the market structure on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame to identify our market formation and structure as well. So in daily time frame on this index, we've seen that the market has been on a long-term downtrend. Let's identify the market direction here. You've seen the market has been creating lower highs and lower lows. This trend line has been an accurate trend line, because whenever the market gets to the trend support or trend resistance, there's always a rejection from it. So we've seen that the market approached this level, and the approach on this level as a resistance, as a trend resistance. Market sold, market came back to the same level again, sold. Market still came back to this level at this point, and they're selling from this trend resistance. And we've seen our trend support at this point. Market buys whenever it gets to this point, it buys. So that's it for the trend support and trend resistance. And we can clearly see that the market has been a downtrend, a clear downtrend on the daily time frame. So we have this level 2 as a key level, a possible level we should expect market reaction. And we've seen how the market broke below this level. This level was a support at this point. Support here. Market failed to buy from this same level. It broke below it, give us a retest on it. We can see this clearly on the 4-hour time frame. But let's first identify this possible support level we're expecting the market to buy from, this zone. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to identify these levels properly. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we got this level broken as a support, turned resistance. We got the buy from this zone, market broke below it, we tested on it as a resistance, and you can see the market selling to the downside. So we could expect more sales in the coming days and hours on V100 index. We could expect more sales to this horizontal key support level we identified on the weekly time frame. Remember, we identified this level as a possible level we could expect market to buy from. So let's expect the market to sell to this zone for the buys in the coming days and hours on V100 index. In the coming weeks, basically, we could see more sales on this index. So let's look at for sell opportunities at this point. We have this level as a level of support. So the market is kind of reacting on this level of support at this point, broken, turned resistance. We got this level as a level of support here. So this level got broken, retested at this point. So let's expect the sales at this zone. So I'll be looking to taking the sales from this zone, having my stop loss above this level, and watching how the market plays out. This will be a swing trade basically, because I'm expecting the sales on this index. We got this level of support broken, turned resistance. So let's expect more sales on this index from this zone to the downside. Let's expect more sales of V100 index. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see market structure and formation. So the 1-hour time frame is looking good as well. We have our trend resistance too. We have this trend on the 1-hour time frame, our trend resistance, market has been reacting on it, and our trend support as well. So let's expect more sales on this index. Everything is looking bearish at the moment. You're looking towards the sales to this key level identified at this point, to this level for the buys in the coming days and weeks on the index. So that's my analysis. Basically, I'll be looking towards taking the sells with a couple of confirmations at this point. If I can get the clear confirmations, I'll take the sells and see how the market plays. I'll be having my stop loss above this structure, above this downtrend, this mini downtrend they had at this point. So that's it, guys. My like button for more market analysis at least, and subscribing for any channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have enough day. Peace.